What's up, RC world? I want to show you something that absolutely blowed me away. This is an Emax Nighthawk X5. Said to be a bad design because the bottom plate is at the actual PDB, and it might be, you know, it might be. But let me tell you something. I put some Emax 2205 rs2205 2300 kV motors. Just put it on to see what would happen, and this thing is an absolute beast. I'm telling you now. It might not be for the new pilots, because yeah, if you crash hard, you see how I got a zip tie there. But listen here, ride with me. Come on, ride with me. Let me show you what this thing will do. Emax motors on an Emax Nighthawk X5 frame. Let's go for a little ride. Yes sir, yes sir. Emax, get you some of that Emax power.